Diane and Denmark here. I hope you're fine and well. Things are kind of crazy for us all right now, I know that, but hopefully I'm here to provide a bright spot in your day, especially today. I've got two things for you, some news on projects, what's coming up, and my word for this year for 2021. But let's get into the main thing, which is my giveaway. Now, as many of you know, I have a life outside of YouTube. I am a mentor, I'm a coach, and I do private coaching. And my giveaway today is going to be a private coaching session with me. It's something that I usually do with clients. It takes, it's usually 45 minutes long. And my clients, my private clients, you know, they may have some kind of routines going. They may have some struggles balancing work life and home life, and I help them to move forward with things. And I have a gift for being able to identify the problem and help people with that. So that is my giveaway. I'm going to be giving one session to somebody here on YouTube, also one session to somebody on Instagram, and usually I do my coaching via Zoom, things like that, but don't worry, we can keep it very low key. We can do over Instagram messaging. Don't worry about the technical side of things. We will work that out. Anyway, what do you have to do? Oh, and also, I'm going to talk about this in a wee minute. I've also got a mystery gift, okay? So, what do you have to do to be in the giveaway? All you need to do is comment down below and say, yes, please, I would like a coaching session. That's it. We're not tagging anybody else. This is my gift to you. You don't have to go tagging other people. You know, it's really nice when you recommend me to friends and family you think I can help, but we're not doing that in this giveaway. It's not a kind of tag somebody else. Just if you would like a coaching session, just say yes, please. And if you feel comfortable sharing, write in your comment why you want the coaching session, because even if you don't win it, you know that I use the questions that I get here, I use those in my YouTube videos because I try and give as much online help as possible. And the names will be picked at random. I'll get my kids to pick the name. So it's all, and I'm not going to have anything to do with it. They will pick a name at random. So I hope you will be interested in that. And I'm looking forward to helping you to move forward. And what about this package here? I've also got a mystery gift for somebody. Now, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to choose the winner of this. It may be the funniest answer, or it may just be at random. But inside here is something that you may associate with me. Now, let's see, it's quite light, and here we are, give it a wee shake. What could be in this mystery gift? And I will post it anywhere in the world. Don't worry, it doesn't contain you know, explosives or food, so you won't get into problems with customs. I will send it anywhere in the world, but I thought it would be fun to have a little guess what the mystery gift is. So I will be running this giveaway until next week. Let me see if I had a date for it. The giveaway will run until Friday the 15th of January. So just comment down below if you would like a free coaching session, a one-on-one with me, and I will announce the winners the week after. The other thing I wanted to tell you today was that I have chosen my word for 2021. Now, last year I chose the word accept. And it was all about, you know, accepting who I am, accepting the gifts that I have, accepting what comes up during the year. And I really enjoyed last year, and I know there were lots of strange challenges going on, but it was a really useful word for me. And this year I've chosen something slightly in the same vein. I've chosen the word open. I'm going to be open to possibilities. I'm going to be open with you here on YouTube and Instagram. You know that when I post things here on YouTube and Instagram, I'm not, you know, I'm very spontaneous in what I share. I share things that are important to me and hopefully also important to you. I don't do that thing of, you know, setting up posts in advance and having, you know, a set agenda of what I'm going to post every day. I'm very spontaneous in that, you know, I share what's you know, what makes me joyous and what's in my heart. So that's my word for this year, open. And also just a wee update, I'm doing the clutter-free January along with Dawn from the Minimal Mum. First videos have been posted. There's a whole playlist of lots of YouTubers who are giving you their best tips of how to have a clutter-free January. In all different, we've all got different ways of approaching things. And next week we are going to be covering clothes. And I can't wait to share my ideas on that. I will be giving you my ideas on capsule wardrobe, how to find you know, what your daily uniform is, how to clear out the clutter, reduce the amount of stuff that you have so you really have a lot more options. So I'm looking forward to that. That's next week. And the other thing is I've seen a lot of posts coming up on YouTube and Instagram about goals for 2021. Now, I made a video last year, I shall put a link up there, and I told you in the video why often, you know, we have these ideas, you know, of all the goals, of all the things that are going to be different this year, what we're going to work on. And often after a couple of days or after a couple of weeks, it just doesn't happen, and then we end up, you know, kind of having these negative thoughts in our head and nothing's going to change. And I tell you in that video how to make these changes. Instead of just having the goal of getting, I want to be healthier, get more exercise, how you can break that down and actually add it into your everyday routines to make it a lot simpler. So you're just moving forward, like with the Fly Lady, baby steps for, you know, looking after your home or clearing out the clutter, how you can move forward and actually make those goals happen. And I know a lot of you followed me last year and actually made big changes. I've seen that in the lovely comments that I've had over Christmas, that you've seen real changes this year just by making the small changes and adding things into your daily routines. And that's what I'm here to help you with. You know, I'm the queen of routines, and you know, also making it hygge for you, making it fun and pleasant. You know, let's keep things light and bright out there, even when things are very dark here in Denmark today, but I've got all the candles going. So once again, if you would like to be in the giveaway, put a comment down below and say yes, and I would like to have some help. Also why you would like some help, and if you'd like the mystery gift, give me your bid on what could be in the package, and I shall reveal that when I reveal the winners. So that's it for me. I shall see you on Instagram. I'm on Instagram daily, posting motivation, reminders, how I use my daily routines in my daily life. And on that note, all I'm going to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you, and I shall see you very soon. And here's a wee pom-pom salute to send you on your merry way. Are you ready? Okay, rah, rah, rah. Bye for now.